Okay, got a box today from Tokyo Target Mode. This is something I'd ordered a while back, been waiting for. And you can already see her kind of peeping out of the box. And of course, she's got these tiny, oh, her arms are sewn. Arms are sewn on this side. But her legs are all floppy, so that's good. Because, you know, she got her little chipmunk hoodie thing. And of course, she'll sit. I mean, you know, I'm a grown man, but I love March. I love this plushie. But, yeah, so there's me. Okay. Oh, dear Maki. I know Maki when I see her. Here we have Ren. She's got a little cat. She's got a gun in both hands. Ready to take care of some business. Yeah. Pretty good months. I finally have the Yukimi gun. I guess this is like her gym clothes. So here we go. First thing I picked up was this. Great little cheap figure. Cheap figure. Cheap figure. Cheap figure. Very good.